Ever wondered how technology can help us understand our planet better? Join us as we dive into another weekly geospatial fun fact on the origins of the Environmental Science Research Institute, or ESRI, founded by the visionary Jack Dangermood. In 1969, Jack Dangermood established ESRI in Redlands, California, with a mission to develop geographic information systems. His vision was clear: leverage technology to solve complex environmental challenges. What started as a small team has now transformed into a global leader in geospatial technology. ESRI's flagship product, ArcGIS, revolutionized the way we visualize and analyze spatial data. From urban planning to disaster response, ArcGIS offers innovative solutions that empower organizations worldwide. Today, it's not just software, it's a community of users dedicated to making a difference. With over 300,000 organizations utilizing ArcGIS, ESRI provides extensive training programs that extend across the globe. Whether it's a workshop in Nairobi or an online course in New York, ESRI is committed to educating the next generation of geospatial professionals. From its humble beginnings to becoming a cornerstone of the geospatial industry, ESRI continues to lead the charge in environmental science and technology. Stay tuned and subscribe to learn more about how geospatial technology is shaping our future.